Now in this question we are provided with the simple interest for 2 years on a sum of money. We have to find out the sum of money and the compound interest on the sum for 1 year compounded half yearly. So we know that the simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now we have to find out the principal. We know the simple interest, which provides us with 340, that is the simple interest, is equal to principal that we have to find into the rate, that is 4%, into the time, that is 2 years, upon 100. Now with this, P is equal to 340 into 100 upon 4 into 2. Now the principal with this equation comes out to be equal to rupees 4250. So now this is the principal we have. Now we have to find out the interest, the compound interest on this principal for 1 year compounded half yearly. So we have interest for the first half year equal to, interest for the first half year is equal to principal 4250 into the rate into the time, that is half, upon 100. Now this amount comes out to be rupees 85. Now what is the amount after first year, which is equal, that is equal to 4250 plus 85, that is equal to 4335 rupees. Now this is also our principal for the second half year. Now the principal, so the interest for the second half year is equal to principal 4335 into rate of interest 4 into time 1/2 upon 100. So this value comes out to be equal to rupees 86.70. So now this is the interest after the second half year. So what is the total interest that we have to find? So the total compound interest is equal to 85 plus 86.70. This is equal to rupees 171.70. So the total compound interest comes out to be equal to rupees 171 and 70 paise.